Today we're going to look at how we can represent each of the fractions listed here on the grid. In the example 1/3 here, you can see the grid is first split into 3 equal parts. So we've drawn the line, one line here and a second line here. So this area is equal to this area, which is equal to this area. Because there is 1 denoted in the numerator, we highlighted one of these 3 equal parts to represent 1/3. We're now going to look at this one, which is 1/4. I first need to split this into 4 equal parts. I can do that just by drawing a line down. 1, now that is 2 equal parts, 3 and 4. So I can see here this is 1 equal part, 2, 3, and 4. I then will highlight one of these. Oops, excuse me. Let's use this. So now I have shaded in 1 out of the 4 equal parts to represent 1/4. We're going to do the same thing in this next one. But now in order to split in 6 equal parts, we'll be looking at the horizontal lines. So if I just cut this along here, I can see I now have 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll change colors. And if I highlight one of these areas, this represents 1/6. 1 out of the 6 equal parts is highlighted. When we go down here to the eighths, we now need to divide this area into 8 equal parts. To do this, I'm going to first divide it into 4 equal parts, as we did in the first one. And once I have it divided into 4 equal parts, I will also split it down the middle. Now you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts. We will then highlight 1 of the 8 equal parts to represent the fraction 1/8. In the next question, we're going to do the same thing as we did before. We'll split this grid into 8 equal parts, but this time we will be highlighting 3. So this right now is 2 out of the 8 equal parts. So this is 2/8, and I'll highlight one more. So this, whoops, I kind of went over there a little bit. This represents 3/8. 3 out of the 8 equal parts are highlighted. And our last one we're going to do, we are going to highlight or represent 7/8. So I first need to split my grid into 8 equal parts. So same as what we did before, I now have 8 equal parts represented. And now I'm going to highlight 7 of those. So this represents 2. Now I'm highlighting 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and one more makes 7. So now this represents 7/8. 7 of the 8 equal parts are highlighted.